Thinking of converting your gas fireplace to electric? It's a great way to enjoy the ambiance of a fire without the hassle of gas or wood. In this video, we'll walk you through how to easily make the switch. First, make sure the gas supply to your fireplace is completely turned off. Safety comes first. Disconnect the gas line and cap it securely to prevent any leaks. For this, it's best to consult a professional if you're unsure. Next, choose the right electric fireplace insert. Measure the dimensions of your current fireplace opening to ensure a perfect fit. Electric inserts come in various styles, from realistic logs to sleek, modern designs. Now it's time to install your electric insert. Most inserts are plug and play, requiring only a standard electrical outlet. Simply slide the insert into your fireplace opening and plug it in. Make sure the cord is safely out of the way. To complete the look, consider adding a decorative screen or mantle decor to give your new electric fireplace that cozy, inviting feel. You'll be able to enjoy the warmth and ambiance without any maintenance or mess. And that's it. Converting a gas fireplace to electric is simple and efficient. Now you can enjoy the glow of a fireplace year-round with the ease of electric. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.